Hello, Board of Directors of IBM Maskin Fabrik. Today we will be presenting to you our analysis of solar panel system. I am Romanos. Together with me are Mikhail, Mikhail, and Robertos. We will be covering the solar panel tests, the GUI of the database system, financial report, and then we will give you the final recommendation.
The test for PV panel system was carried out by connecting the panel to the ampere meter and voltmeter and placed perpendicular to the sun. The ST system was connected to water pipes and the temperature was measured at 3 different points: water before, in the STE system, after collector, and coarse ambient air temperature. Test results were running through some calculations to find out the efficiency of the panels. The results were compared with other panels in the market. Both panels appeared to be competitive, scoring roughly same results as the ones on the market, with 15% and 75% efficiency for PV and STE panels respectively.
We set up a database for the panel system after we decided which data needs to be collected. On top of that, we set up some triggers so that when the new data is coming in, we do not lose the old one but rather move it to other tables. However, since databases require knowledge of SQL statements, GUI had to be set up so that anyone could use it. The GUI is simplistic and starts receiving data from the database right when it's launched for now. In the future, safety measurements will be installed, such as a logging screen. For now, some features such as selecting what data you want to see or setting panel's temperature thresholds are inactive due to minor technical difficulties. However, they are possible. Moreover, the design of the program can be changed from stock to custom if the company would require.
Now let's talk about the cost. The initial cost for the mix of the system as the company required is around 730,000 Danish kroner, with additional yearly maintenance costs around 4,700 Danish kroner. Additionally, the PV panels will require their inverters to be changed every 10 to 12 years, which is estimated cost around 60,000 Danish kroner. However, these costs aren't for nothing, as the team has estimated a 78,039 Danish kroner savings from the PV systems, along with a 10,037 Danish kroner savings from the STE systems.
So from the financial conclusion, we estimate that the profitability of this investment is around 2.4 million Danish crowns and should return the initial investment after 7 years and 4 months. Well, and as for the risks, there are not many, as the interest rate can increase to 13% looking at the IRR, and the sensitivity and probability analysis show that the major threats for this investment are not existent.
Our final recommendation is go with this investment, as everything indicates positive outcome. However, we also add out the recommendation to have stationary PV panels instead of adjustable ones, as by our calculations they should generate around 5% more power. As for the database, the data tracking collection might not be useful if the panels are stationary, as the only thing that will change the data outcome will be the weather. However, panel safety systems that put thresholds in place are recommended for safety purposes.